Camping is one of the most popular outdoor pastimes. It's a great way to connect to nature, step away from technology and the rat race of daily life, and make lasting memories with those you love. What's better than telling stories around a campfire, roasting s'mores, gazing at the stars, and listening to the sounds of a crackling fire with your friends and family? Today we are going to review 5 best camping tents of this year, and we are going to start our list with SEMP Automatic Family Camping Tent. You no longer need a magic wand and a cape to assemble a tent right out of the bag, thanks to the SEMP Automatic 2 to 3 person family camping tent. In what could only be compared to a party trick, this pop-up tent assembles essentially instantaneously, in 3 seconds or less, completely removing the hassle of setting up camp. With floor dimensions of 102 by 62 by 43 inches, the SEMP can comfortably sleep 2 adults in their gear or 3 with a cozier fit. The entire tent is coated in polyurethane waterproofing materials, and the tent itself is made from 68D 185D polyester with the bottom formed from 150D Oxford cloth. This tent is waterproof, breathable, and well ventilated. The design integrates specifically placed vents in the front and back to promote air convection and ensure you stay comfortable and cool on hot summer nights. Every vent is covered in gauze to seal out mosquitoes. The front door includes a screen option to capture a breeze, or it can be sealed for chilly or rainy nights. And as always, the link is in the description. If you're the type of camper who can be found sleeping under the stars come rain, snow, hot, or cold, you need a 4-season tent to keep up with your passion for outdoor living. The Eureka Alpine Lite XD 4-season backpacking tent is for anyone who's more than a fair weather camper. It will keep you warm, dry, and protected from the elements, no matter what season it is. This tent features a sturdy 6-pole A-frame design that comfortably sleeps 2 adults. The strong, steep walls are ideal for naturally shedding snow and rain. Thanks to the full coverage Storm Shield rain fly, which creates a protected vestibule in the tent, you can confidently stay dry even in driving rains, pelting sleet, and heavy snow. The cold weather polyurethane transparent window lends light to the interior without letting cold air infiltrate your cozy cove. Because of the clips, posts, grommet corner attachments, and the freestanding, shock-corded, aluminum poles engineered for cold weather usage, it's easy and quick to set up the Eureka Alpine Lite XD 4-season backpacking tent, reducing the stress of having to set up camp at night or in a rainstorm. Interior storage options include 6 pockets, 2 gear lofts, and 2 flashlight loops to help you keep your gear organized even in the dark. There's also an interior clothesline and numerous loops to hang your clothing and belongings. The Eureka Alpine Lite XD 4-season backpacking tent has an interior height of 40 inches, weighs 7 pounds 7 ounces, and packs down to an impressive 5.5 inches by 19 inches, compact enough to fit in a hiking pack or bike pannier. Despite being waterproof and insulated, the tent is still well ventilated, more so than any other backpacking tent we tested. It has a vented door, a rear window, 2 roof vents, and 4 side vents. Coupled with Eureka's patented high/low doors, which vent from the top and or bottom, this design provides ultimate control over moderating airflow, making stuffy, stinky tents a thing of the past. Lastly, this tent has an attached front dual-zippered vestibule, which is perfect for protecting excess air and facilitating easy entry and exit. The tent comes with the body and fly, poles, stakes, and guy lines. Again, the link is in the description. If you have a big family or you want to rock the party tent with all your best friends, you need a tent that's big enough without being unmanageable. Enter the Core 9-person instant cabin tent. This spacious camping tent boasts a 14-foot by 9-foot floor plan, roomy enough to fit 9 adults or 2 queen air mattresses if you prefer to hover between glamping and camping. With a generous 78-inch center height, even the tallest adults should be able to stand. Ultimately, you get a lot of tent for the money. This tent assembles in under a minute, so you can get right to relaxing, or partying, without having to wrestle with poles and align a rain fly for half an hour. With a large mesh ceiling, you can not only get some fresh air but also stargaze on clear nights from the comfort of your sleeping bag. This large tent integrates water blocking technology and an adjustable ground vent to keep your camping crew dry. There are plenty of storage pockets along the walls to ensure your smaller items don't get swallowed by the cavernous interior. A handy room divider partitions the space into smaller sections, and there's an electrical cord access port to power up camping appliances or electronics within your tented walls. The durable, polyester tent weighs 27 pounds, including the tent, removable rain fly, steel telescoping poles, stakes, and carry bag. The Featherstone backpacking tent checks all the boxes for a good backpacking tent. It's lightweight, it packs small, it is fully waterproof, and it is highly breathable. This tent is surprisingly rugged despite being so lightweight, due to its construction and craftsmanship. With floor dimensions of 84 inches by 51 inches and a center height of 43 inches, the Featherstone backpacking tent comfortably sleeps 2 adults. In fact, even though it's small and lightweight, the ingenious design with 2 doors and 2 vestibules provides such plentiful storage for your backpacking gear that it feels more spacious than it should. It is a 3-season tent built with seam-taped construction and an elevated bathtub floor design, which together keep you dry as the rain pelts down by keeping your tent from sinking into wet ground. The tent itself is made from polyurethane-coated ripstop polyester. It assembles quickly and easily with a single aluminum pole structure. Once assembled, it's easy to move around as a freestanding structure. Plus, with a mesh canopy, you can stargaze on clear nights. Perhaps most importantly, as a backpacking tent, this tent has a packed weight, tent, rainfly, stakes, pole, bag, footprint, guidelines, of just 5 pounds. It's also backed with a lifetime warranty. The Coleman Dark Room Sky Dome tent earns our vote for the best camping tent. It combines all the must-have features of a good tent with plenty of perks. As a 6-person tent, the 10-foot by 8.5-foot floor plan is roomy for the price. In fact, it fits 2 queen-sized air mattresses, and with a generous center height of 6 feet, most adults can move about the interior cabin space fairly comfortably with minimal stooping. Moreover, Coleman has upgraded their dome design, increasing headroom by 20% with the steep walls. One of our favorite things about this tent is the simple and fast assembly and tear down, which takes under 5 minutes due to the pre-attached poles. It also outperformed many other tents in the rain department. Designed as a 4-season tent, the WeatherTech system uses a tube-like floor, patented welded corners, and inverted seams to make the tent impermeable to water, and the strong frame is built to withstand winds howling up to 35 miles per hour. Special perks include the namesake dark room technology, which effectively blocks 90% of sunlight, reducing heat inside the tent on sweltering summer days and allowing you to sleep in without being roused by early summer rays. The front door is extra wide to facilitate moving air beds and gear in and out. Coleman has also integrated plenty of internal storage pockets to keep essentials handy. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.